Hi my dear students, today's topic is simplification of square root numbers. Look at here, root a up to n times. So what is the formula? A to the power 2 to the power n minus 1 and denominator 2 to the power n. Look at this question, root 3. How many times? 4 times. Here n times means here 4 times. So what is the formula? A. Here is 3 and 2 to the power n. 2 to the how many times? This is the 4 times. So input 4. What is the 2 to the power 4? 16. Just input 16 here. 16. And 2 to the power minus n. 16 minus 1. That means 15. So answer is 3 to the power 15 divided by 16. Here do this. Root 5. And I will say root 5 and root 5. So what is the answer of this question? Comment your answer.